Happy Friday, everyone. Now you guys are getting to know all about my extensive collection of baseball caps. So, just wanted to give you a news update from me. I know that many of you were able to fill out those Google forms, so thank you very much. If you haven't done so, just know that that's very helpful to me, so I appreciate it. I'll be responding to people probably in the next few days about, what some of their concerns might be. I just wanted to let you know that I think you're amazing. I wanted to send you off with good feelings about what a good job you're doing because many of you are parents and caregivers that are splitting yourselves into many pieces so that you can still work at home or go to work and help them at night and still help your children with their schoolwork. So I know the struggle's real. It's been very difficult having my boys home with me while I'm trying to attend virtual meetings with administrators and colleagues. I have to plan, send emails, learn new technology, make videos, and hear my name about 5,000 times a day. So I understand how difficult this is, and I do commend you and appreciate all the hard work you're putting into it. Some great news. Mrs. Guntert taught herself how to make her own YouTube channel. So you would just type in Mrs. Guntert into the search bar at the top of the YouTube page, and that'll bring you right to my page. It'll include any videos, past and present, that I have done about how to log into things, so all our tutorials. And then it'll also include videos of any messages from me, like this one. And I'm going to try to do a couple of read alouds. So those will all be in one central location so that you don't have to keep looking through emails to find them. Okay? Some not so great news is that unfortunately the governor has extended our time out of school with a return date of April 15th. And I don't know what that'll mean for spring break. So information will be forthcoming from the district and I'll keep you posted. Something I just want to reiterate is that the objective for me is to provide you with materials of things that your children have already learned, and the objective for children is just to keep up and retain their skills skills and strategies that they've gotten this year during our school year. So hopefully we'll come back to school just having retained what we've already gained. So as you know, the most important thing is that your child's reading every night or being read to every day. And I wanted to commend the students who are logging on. If you're having trouble, I can help you, but I can see many of the tasks that children are completing. And my goal for next week is that we get Splash Math. If we can log into Splash Math next week, that would be great. Just to get everybody all into Splash Math and then maybe have an assignment on there. So we'll work through that and see how that works out, okay? I also want to let you know that many people have had a hard time with the RCS work from home webpage. It was very overwhelming and confusing and there was just too much. So we're working on simplifying it. So next week it'll be updated and hopefully much more user-friendly for you. So I'll send a video next week showing you how to navigate through the folders and hopefully it'll look a lot better and a lot friendlier, okay? So again, I hope everyone has a great weekend. Please relax. Again, during the school week, just 2 hours of work a day tops. Kids should be going out and taking breaks in between or doing other things, music, art, any kind of activity, games. We played Battleship this week. It was so much fun. And I'm also going to try to do a Zoom with just our class next week. So it'll come as an invite through an email next week. So our class can virtually meet up with each other and they can all see each other. So we did that last week. It was pretty fun, but I'll give you more information about that. So again, have a great weekend. Thank you for everything you're doing. And please do not hesitate to reach out to me if you need anything at all. Okay? Thanks so much. Have a good one.